Hey guys, welcome to another quick inform video. So today I'm showing you how to take a screenshot with your new Samsung Galaxy S9 or S9 Plus. Both ways work, so let's go ahead to it. There's a couple of ways. I'm going to show you at least the cool ways that I know how to do it. So let's say I just want to take a screenshot of my app screen right here. So the first and easiest way to do it is by doing the manual one or the buttons. So you would have to hold down the power button and the volume down. So hold them down for a couple seconds. And there you go. It's about 2 seconds and it'll take a screenshot, as you can see. Now let's say I want to take a screenshot of my second page. I'm going to show you the second way. And it's basically using your palm. You have to have this in the settings enabled. So watch this. And there you go. It took a screenshot. So to do that, you have to make sure it's on in advanced features in your settings. And then it'll say palm swipe to capture. So as you can see, I'll show you how to do it. All you do is slide your palm and it'll take a screenshot. So let's say I want to take a screenshot of this. The third way and easiest way, if you have Bixby enabled, you can do it through Bixby. So watch this. Hi Bixby, take a screenshot.
Okay, I captured it. Let's check it out in gallery.
Yay. So it's pretty cool. Now let me show you. Here in it goes to your gallery. So there's the first screenshot that I took, the second, and then of course the third was with Bixby. So all of these three methods work, and like I said, this works on all the phones, the Galaxies, the Galaxy 9 and the 9 Plus. Sorry. So this definitely works with the Galaxy 9 and 9 Plus. Very, very simple, guys. So let me know what you think. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Hopefully you liked it. Dragonic Warfare sign off. Check out the description for a lot of cool offers and a lot more to come. So let me know if you like these kind of videos. Thank you.